If you want to get a clear visual overview of your project deadlines and dependencies, the timeline view in Asana is a powerful tool. It helps you manage tasks across a calendar style layout, perfect for staying on track. Here's how to activate it. Start by opening any project in your Asana workspace. At the top of the screen, you'll see different view options like list, board, calendar, and timeline. Simply click on timeline and your project will instantly switch to Gantt style view. From here, you'll see all your tasks laid out based on their start and due dates. If a task doesn't have a date set, it won't appear on the timeline, so make sure to add dates to everything you want visualized. You can click and drag tasks to adjust their timelines or connect tasks by drawing dependency lines between them. This is especially useful for planning campaigns, launches, or any complex project with multiple moving parts. And that's it. The timeline view is now active, and you got a high-level snapshots of your entire project schedule. This was helpful. Like the video, subscribe for more quick how-tos, and drop a comment if you want to help building reusable templates in Asana.